Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I am going to share with you what is inside of the 2019 summer Fabfitfun box. I have partnered with Fabfitfun to bring you guys this video to show you what is inside of my box. I am a little late, but I want to get this open and share with you what I got. Now, in case you're not familiar with Fabfitfun, which I'm sure if you've been following me for a while you are, because I get this box every season and I share with you what's inside, but it is a lifestyle box that is $49.99 every season, so 4 times a year. You can get $10 off of your first box if you want to go ahead and give it a try. Check down in the description box. I do have a code down there that you're able to use. Now, even though it is $49.99 every season, you are guaranteed to get 250 up to 3. It's going to be at least $250 worth of product in your box, and it can go up to $300. So you're getting all of that for $49.99, but $39.99 for your first box. And it's like Christmas 4 times a year. You know how we get super busy, we tend to take care of our families, we're doing 1,000 things and we don't remember sometimes to take care of ourselves. Well, this is like the best box to get every season, and it's kind of like getting Christmas. Like right now I feel like it's Christmas in the summer. So yeah, you guys, I love this box. They always put amazing products in here. So if you are just looking for a subscription box to try out, then this is definitely one for you to try. If you're looking for a gift for a family member, your mother, your sister, somebody you just want to send something to, maybe to let them know you love them 4 times a year, then this would definitely be the one to get. So I'm going to quit running my mouth. I want to get this open and see what's inside. As if the outside of the box wasn't pretty enough, look at the inside. It's pink. It says Fabfitfun. It's super pretty. And the first thing that I see is they always send their like magazine. You'll get this. And it has all kinds of cool stuff in here. What it also has in here is the products that may be in your box. For instance, like this, which I am not going to look at, but you can see your products that'll be in the box, and it'll tell you a description about it, as well as what it's retail valued at. Let's see, the first thing that I see, oh my goodness, okay, so it's right behind me. I'm not going to grab it, but I always talk about the Sol Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I also use the spray right here, the Brazilian Crush. This is my favorite scent, and they sent in this box, I got the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Oh my goodness, I have not had the shower gel before. I am super excited by this. Let me see. Okay, it still has the seal on it, so I want to go ahead and get this open to smell it. Oh my goodness, I don't know, I just love this fragrance. Like, to me, the Bum Bum Cream and the Brazilian Crush spray behind me is so much of a summer scent. It's just so nice. It's really refreshing. It's light. It's kind of tropical, kind of coconutty. It's just really nice. So I'm super excited by this, and this is 13 fluid ounces. I cannot wait to try this out. I also see another product from them, which I don't need to open. It's the smaller container. I have the large one, which I love that I can take this one with me in my purse because I have to leave the big one at home. So the last one I had like this, I used up like really quick. So they sent this as well. And if you're looking for a good summer scent or some good cream, I mean, it's not even just about the scent. The product is amazing. If you're looking for a good lotion, a good cream, moisturizer for your skin, you definitely want to try this out, because I give this product a thumbs up. Okay, I had to sit the box down. The next item is by Grace and Stella, and it looks like that. And it says spray all day rose spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray. Now, I'm gonna open this and smell it. Okay, I've talked about it before. I am not big on flowers. I really just don't care for flower scents, and then for this to be rose, oh. So let me get this open and see. Okay, so the bottle looks like this. It is pink, kind of like a rose color. Let's see. 8 fluid ounces. Okay, let's give this a try. I like to spray it in the cap. Oh goodness, it's really light. It has a really light rose scent. I don't know, can I deal with that? I don't know. It's something about flowers. Even if I try this, I'm gonna try it, but even though I don't know. I am at a loss for words because I want to give it a try. I want to try it out, but at the usually when I use products that has flower scents to it, I'll get a really bad headache. But this one is really light, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try. I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna keep it. If I don't, I will definitely give this to a friend. But it says hydrating rose facial spray. Reapply as needed throughout the day. Mist 4 to 5 sprays onto face with eyes closed before or after makeup. So I'm pretty sure it's a really good product, but it's just me I just can't get past the smell. I don't want to get a headache. But yeah, so either I'm going to keep this or I'm going to pass it along. So for the fitness in this box, I got the Burn 63 resistance bands. So there is 3 resistance bands in here. Burn 60 is high intensity interval training for all fitness levels. So that is pretty cool. I already have a set of resistance bands that's probably sitting somewhere with some dust on them. I can't even tell a lie. I need to use them. So it's kind of cool. This was more of an incentive for me to, like, you know, put them to work. So yeah, these are cool. The next item is this right here, and I've heard of this company before, and if I'm not mistaken, I'll tell you guys the prices of everything after I'm done. But this brand, I believe it's 111 Skin. It's 111 Skin, so I think it's 111 Skin. I know that these are a bit pricey. So this says Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. How many is in here? You get 5 masks in this box, which is really cool. You guys know I don't do masks often, hardly ever. I just recently started using mask, and so I will give this a try. And it's rose gold. I bet you it's really pretty. You know what, when I put one of these on, I will post it on Instagram and let you guys see the rose gold color. I don't want to open it right now and waste it because, yeah, it'll be a waste of a mask. And like I said, I think these are kind of pricey. So that's pretty cool. It says reinforces and protects skin, diminishes the appearance of fine lines, 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten and even skin tone. You know I love my gold. And it rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. So to get 5 of those in here, that's really good. This next item right here, it says Generation Clay with Davidson Plum. It says with Davidson Plum. So it's ultraviolet brightening purple clay mask. Oh gosh, another mask. Gosh, I love purple. I'm tempted to just say I'm gonna try this out just because it has plum in it. It's purple. But yeah, it says apply an even layer to clean dry skin. Wait approximately 10 minutes or until it starts to tighten, and use water to gently rinse off your mask in circular motions. This is a 3.97 ounce container. I don't know. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do with this yet, but I think that's really cool. So I may keep this, I may not. Oh, they sent another Invisible hair ring pack. The last time I got these, I think it was only 2 in the container, and they smelled like cookies. I think this one says original, so you get 6 of them in here. You get 3 of the clear ones and 3 of the cream color ones. So I don't think these have a smell. It says crystal clear and to be nude. That's the name of those. So I actually like the other ones that I used. I gave them to my daughter because they smelled like cookies, and she liked them. So I'll pass these along to her. This is a really good product. I like these hair ties. The next item is this Wish product, and it is an exfoliating foot mask. Another mask, but it's for my feet, so I can deal with that. So it says smooths and softens intense hydration, paraben free, sulfate free, all kind of free. Oh, it says Leaping, what is Leaping Bunny? It says Leaping Bunny certified. I don't know if that's a company or what, but it says it has coconut milk and verbena in this. Exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. So it says, ideally use at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and awake with softer feet. Okay, oh yeah, I'm gonna try this out, because it says apply liberally to desired area, which is your feet, and let it dry, and then go to bed and awaken with softer feet and rinse after 8 to 12 hours. I have never had a foot mask like this. Usually I have the little bag, little thing that you put on your feet. You let your feet sit in there for 10 minutes and then you go rinse your feet off. But this one you actually leave on your feet. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this one out, and I will be trying it tonight. The next item is this eyeliner right here by Ico London. It says, I do liquid eyeliner, line and enhance. On the back it says features wide lash, a conditioning complex design treatment to enhance the appearance of eyelashes with up to 3 times more length and volume in 15 days. So that will be cool to try that out. And then the last item in this box is Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. It says apply liberally to dry or damaged skin, lips, and nails to aid in healing. See, I would have never even known there was a balm that you can add to your skin, lips, or your nails for healing, for dry skin. A healing balm. My nose feels itchy. If you guys see me, I keep itching. It says uses for chapped lip cut. You can use this for chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry and sensitive skin, beauty hacks, or baby ointment. Wow, let me open this. Okay, so the container looks like this, and I wanted to get it open because the way it's being described is, to me, I'm thinking it's like a Neosporin. And that is pretty cool. It's still sealed shut. Let me pop it. Oh, it started coming out. Can you see that? It just started like, and it doesn't have a smell. So to me, it looks like petroleum jelly. I don't want to mess with it right now. It just looks like petroleum jelly. It doesn't have a fragrance to it or anything, and I'm thinking it's kind of like a Neosporin or something like that. So I will be keeping this one in my purse just in case of an emergency with the kids or whatever. Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm. Okay, so let me sit this down and then we'll go through everything and I'll tell you what everything was retail valued at. So for the first 2 products that I am in love with, it retailed for $45. I believe it's together. This one will probably be, I don't know, I can't even tell you because I haven't even purchased one of these, but $45 for both of these. And I knew I was right about this. These 5 masks retail for, what did that say? $160. 5 masks in here for $160. You guys, I don't really care for masks, but I will definitely be using these. That is so cool. And like I said, this box is only $49.99 every season, and so you're going to get your money back and more. The Wish exfoliating foot mask retails for $32. The Grace and Stella Rose Spray retails for $25.95. The Invisibobble hair rings retail for $16. This Purple Generation Clay Mask retails for $39. The Burn 60 Resistance Bands retail for $34. This Dr. Rogers Restore Healing Balm retails for $30. So this is definitely better than some Neosporin. $30. And last but not least, this eyeliner retailed for $22. Okay, you guys, so that is it for my summer 2019 Fabfitfun box. Don't forget to check the description box for $10 off of your first subscription in case you want to go ahead and give them a try. The next box I'm sure will be amazing, just like the rest of them. I thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video. Bye.